Okay, so here we have, we're playing Doom 2 on this Amiga 500 using this PiStorm, and we're getting attacked by something. Oh, there's that shoot. That's no. Oh, D. Finally found the key. Well, or D shoot. What do I do now? Alright, start again. Oh, D. Yeah, it works. Works alright. Oh, I can't get past these guys without shooting them all out the way. Right, one hand is pretty difficult. Just want to go through a bit of the map. Oh. Get these guys out the way. Just sort of get a bit of understanding of the frame rates and everything going on this Amiga. Now, so all good. You can see that it works. There's sound. There's people coming from somewhere. Maybe over here. Oh, that thing down there. Yeah, let's not look at it. Okay, let's escape this. Okay, why can't we escape it? Let's have it. Oh, damn. Now I've done it. Here we go. Cancel this. Somehow we can get out of this. Is it Option M? Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Option M. I didn't realize you could do that. Okay, Option N, and we can switch between Mac. This is Mac in here. If I could just quit. Control M, Control something, Control Macintosh, Options. End game. Yes. No. Quit. Okay, so it won't let me quit. Now I'll probably crash the whole thing. What does Option M do? It lets you go back to here anyway. No, definitely not. What I've done is I've given the key. What about Alt quit, quit, Control, Control quit, Option quit. Oh, there you go. Yes, Option quit something. Good old Mac. So here we go. And back onto the Mac desktop. I didn't realize this is quite cool. There we are. So potentially I could be running some Pulveray while I do this, but I'm just guaranteed to fail at some point. What could we do on the Amiga side? We would play a mod. And here we go. Sorry. Equal play. And we have no mods. Here we go. So can I? Can't allocate audio channels. Obviously allocated to. No, they're obviously allocated to the Mac, so it's pointless playing a mod. But I could have run something else. So it's pointless playing that. Well, all we know is that we're running Mac in the background. That's all we need to remember. And yeah, Duke Nukem, same thing. 68K. This is the patched version, so we need to run this one. Here we go. and believe it or not, we do this as well. That's freaky. I didn't realise that we could do that. We could run the Commodore Amiga version at the same time. Will that work? It'd be crazy. I don't want to even do that. Should I do it? Oh, hold on. Colours look wrong here. So Duke Nukem works, but I think there's a problem with the palette. I might be running 256 colour. Oh no, hold on. Palette is... Wow. Palette is cycling.
Let's rock.
Okay, that looks good. Okay. Alright, so we've got some nice samples. And the samples are all coming through. Okay, so. No. So it's quite slow. I wouldn't say this is be fun to play at all, but hey, it's playing. And we just play it and running in a Mac window, and it's also multitasking with Amiga in the background. So that's all good and well. Okay, I'll do something freaky. Here we go. We're going to run. Let's run an Amiga game. Let's run something like something reliable like Silkworm. So now this is going to be interesting. Yeah, Silkworm, Alt-M, look at that. So I've put this on here, and potentially Silkworm's going to be running on the other screen, but let's have a look. Probably not, probably crashed it. And yeah, I think I did. Let's try Alt-M again. That may have done it. Nope. Oh no, yes. There you go. So running Silkworm. And on the other screen, the Pi output is black. Oh, there you go. It's going back to this. But can I take the purpose? No. So it's under control of the game now. I press help. We're back here. And I go Amiga M, and we're back here. So, and this is still working. So there you go. Multitasking. Like you would expect. Okay. So let's leave this here, and I'll maybe shut off the folders. They'll open up next time. So we'll just shut them all off. Yeah. I think what I want to do though, one last thing, is to double check, because this wasn't running last time. I couldn't get any of the Sierra games to work. Let's just try Let Us Suit Larry 1. I thought it was an emulation problem, but I think it's more a game problem. Let's have a look. This might be a better file. These usually crash for some reason. There you go, it's crashed. And can I, yeah, I can't even get back out of it. And that's the end of the video.